Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Auto Cars. The 2025 BMW M3 continues its legacy as a premier sports sedan, blending performance, technology, and design. Under the hood, it houses a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine. The base model delivers 473 horsepower and 406 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, catering to driving purists. For those seeking enhanced performance, the M3 competition variant offers 503 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque, coupled with an 8-speed M-Steptronic automatic transmission. Notably, the 2025 cubic meters competition xDrive model receives a power boost to 523 horsepower, providing an even more exhilarating driving experience. The M3's exterior design is both aggressive and aerodynamic, featuring BMW's signature kidney grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted lines that emphasize its sporty character. Inside, the cabin is driver-centric, boasting high-quality materials, advanced technology, and supportive M Sport seats. The latest iDrive infotainment system ensures seamless connectivity, while a suite of driver assistance features enhances safety and convenience. Performance is further amplified by adaptive M suspension, offering precise handling and a dynamic driving experience. The M3 competition xDrive model benefits from an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring optimal traction and stability across various driving conditions. In summary, the 2025 BMW M3 stands as a testament to BMW's commitment to performance, luxury, and innovation, solidifying its position as a top choice for enthusiasts seeking a thrilling yet refined driving experience. For a more in-depth look at the 2025 BMW M3, check out the following video.